Living in New York City, you may think composting is difficult, but it's easier than you think. If you live in Queens or parts of Brooklyn, you may already have an NYC Brown bin, and it's super simple to use. The NYC Brown bin accepts all food and yard waste, even food soil paper. Simply line it with a compostable bag like this one from Commit to Green, and you're ready to compost. No brown bin just yet? Don't worry. Here are the dates that your borough should receive a brown bin. In the meantime, download the NYC Compost app to find a bin near you. Simply scan the QR code, press Unlock Bin in the app, and throw your food or yard waste away. It's that simple. Or support micro-haulers in New York City like Reclaimed Organics, BK Raw, and Ground Cycle for a bigger impact. Whatever solution you decide to try, know that you are making a difference. Join the green revolution and commit to green.